Hello everyone, myself Bhumika Parekh and I'm taking English for class 7 standard. We are dealing with chapter 1 from the book Living in English and the name of the chapter is Wonder. We have completed half of the chapter and the rest of the chapter goes as follows. Page number 9 all of you. It is because of all the surgeries I have had, 27 since I was born. That's why my parents decided it was better if I did not go to school. I'm much stronger now though. The last surgery I had was 8 months ago, and I probably won't have to have any more for another couple of years. So, we are talking about August, who was not able to go to school and whose family was very protective towards them towards him. His sister used to get annoyed when anybody used to stare at him or behave rudely to him. And now he is ready to go to school. He's telling about why he could not go to school, and the reason was the surgeries he had to undergo. जो भी surgeries अगस्त की हो रही थी उसकी वजह से अगस्त जो है वो स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहा था और अब वो स्कूल जाने के लिए रेडी हो रहा है तो अब वो ये बता रहा है कि वो स्कूल क्यों नहीं जा रहा सर he is 10 years old and till the day he has been born he has had 27 surgeries. Surgeries are basically small operations जो आपकी बॉडी को कट ओपन करते हैं और किसी भी पार्ट कोई भी पार्ट अगर डैमेज्ड है तो उसको रिपेयर रिप्लेस या सही करने के लिए जो सर्जरी ऑपरेशन किया जाता है उसको सर्जरी कहा जाता है ठीक है The last surgery he had was 8 months ago and now he's strong enough to go to school. Last जो surgery है वो 8 महीने पहले हुई है and now he is strong enough that he can go to school. One thing. Other thing is that another reason why he can go to school is because he did not have to have any more surgeries for another couple of years. अब कुछ सालों तक उसको और कोई सर्जरी करवाने की जरूरत नहीं है तो ये क्लियरली दिखाता है कि यहाँ पर ऑगस्ट इज अ वेरी मेडिकली क्रिटिकल चाइल्ड मेडिकली बहुत परेशान है वो बच्चा ठीक है Mom homeschools me. She used to be a children's book illustrator. She draws really great fairies and mermaids. Her boy stuff isn't so hot though. I haven't seen her draw anything in a long time. I think she's busy. She's too busy taking care of me and Via. I can't say I always wanted to go to school because that wouldn't be exactly true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school, have lots of friends and hang out after school and stuff like that. Okay, now he's saying that how he used to study before he could start going to school. Mom homeschools me. Homeschool meaning is when somebody is taught at home itself without sending that person to school. All the activities, or not all the activities, basically all the education you're getting at school is given to you at home. एक्टिविटीज तो नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि एक अकेला बच्चा इतनी एक्टिविटीज नहीं कर पाएगा ठीक है शी यूज्ड टू बी अ चिल्ड्रंस बुक इलस्ट्रेटर मींस शी यूज्ड टू बी एन आर्टिस्ट हु यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ फॉर बुक्स और मैगजीन्स ठीक है एंड दैट आल्सो फॉर चिल्ड्रंस बुक तो छोटे बच्चों की जो भी बुक्स आती है जैसा आपके इस पेज पे एनिमेशन दिया हुआ है ठीक है तो ये जिसने बनाया है उसको हम इलस्ट्रेटर कहेंगे क्योंकि वो बुक के लिए बना रहे हैं और क्योंकि बच्चों की बुक के लिए बनाया गया तो ये इतना एनिमेटेड तरीके से बनाया गया शी ड्रॉज रियली ग्रेट फेरीज एंड मर्मेड्स बहुत सुंदर परियां और बहुत सुंदर मर्मेड्स आर एक्चुअली इमेजिनरी क्रिएचर्स हु आर हाफ फिश एंड हाफ विमेन ठीक है तो वो इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो आधी मछली के जैसी होती है उनकी जो लोअर बॉडी होती है वो मछली के जैसी होती है और जो अपर बॉडी होती है वो एक वुमेन के जैसी होती है वुमेन के जैसी होती है ठीक है तो दैट शी इज वेरी गुड एट ड्राइंग हर बॉय स्टफ इजंट सो हॉट दो उसका जो बॉय स्टफ है दैट इजंट वेरी गुड हॉट सो मीन्स मतलब यहाँ पे इट मीन्स दैट इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड ठीक है आई हैवंट सीन हर ड्रॉ एनीथिंग इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई थिंक शी इज टू बिजी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी एंड विया कि मैंने उनको काफी टाइम से कुछ ड्रॉ करते हुए नहीं देखा आई हैवंट सीन हर ड्रॉ अ लॉट बिकॉज शी इज वेरी बिजी व्हाट इज शी बिजी इन शी इज बिजी इन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर चाइल्ड ठीक है विया इज ऑगस्टस सिस्टर ठीक है एंड ऑगस्ट क्लियरली वी नो इज वेरी इल ठीक है तो मदर स्पेंड्स ऑल ऑफ हर टाइम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर चिल्ड्रन एंड हाउस एंड शी हैज नॉट गॉट टाइम to pay attention to all the things she used to like ठीक है तो that is the sacrifice जो वहां पे दिखा रहा है कि उसकी मदर ने किया है ठीक है she is not doing her work she is only busy taking care of her children I can't say I always wanted to go to school because that wouldn't be exactly true ठीक है। तो वो क्लियरली बोल रहा है कि मैं ये नहीं बोल सकता कि मैं हमेशा से स्कूल जाना चाहता था, that he never, it's not that he always wanted to go to school or he was always very adamant or stubborn कि नहीं I have to go to school, उसका कभी ये जिद नहीं था कि मुझे स्कूल जाना ही जाना है, ठीक है। and he's saying that if I'm saying so, that would not be true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school. Okay, that he said he wanted to go to school, but there was one condition in which he wanted to go to school, and that was if he was just like every other kid. If he could live a life that was similar to every other kid, then he wanted to go to school. Okay? Have lots of friends and hang out after school and stuff like that. That if he could hang out with friends, hang out means spending time with somebody ideally. There's no purpose or you're not doing anything. आप बस time pass के लिए जब किसी के साथ time spend करते हो क्योंकि आपको उनके साथ time spend करना अच्छा लगता है, या उसके अंदर अगर आप कुछ productive नहीं कर रहे हो तो उसको hang out करना कहते हैं, ठीक है। hang out after school, have a lot of friends जैसे बाकी बच्चों के होते हैं। Why is he saying that? क्योंकि हमने चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में ही पढ़ा था that he was different from other kids. Kids used to get scared by his appearance because of the surgeries he has had. ठीक है, तो this was Augustus point of view with everything. Next part will be Summer's point of view, how he dealt with August and his everything. Next section is Summer's point of view, and he has given his writing the heading of weird kids. Weird means strange or different from others. Some kids have actually come out and asked me why I hang out with the freak so much. Okay, freak here means freak actually means when a person has a very strong dedication towards someone. ठीक है, लेकिन here freak means that somebody who is very strange और sunky type का जो इंसान है उसके लिए, ठीक है। And he is considered strange because of the way he looks. There are kids who don't even know him well. If they knew him, they wouldn't call him that. And Samar is saying that there are kids, there are students, there are children who don't even know him. If they would have known him, अगर उनको पता होता कि वो कैसा होता, तो they would have never called him that because he's not a freak, he's a nice kid. Because he's a nice kid, I always answer, and don't call him that, you're a saint, okay? And what is Samar saying? That okay, he's nice kid, okay, don't call him like that, he's a very nice kid, and I like spending time with him, or I hang out with him because he's a very nice kid and it's fun to be with him. Okay, you're a saint. Ziema Chin said me the other day, I couldn't do what you're doing. Ziema Chin जो है, there's another classmate of Summer and August who's saying that you're a saint, कि तुम तो साधु जैसी हो Summer, तुम जो कर रही हो, I couldn't do what you're doing, कि जो तुम कर रही हो वो मैं तो कभी भी नहीं कर सकती थी, ठीक है। इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, आई आंसर्ड हर ट्रूथफुली, और मैंने उसको एकदम सच में एक बात बोली कि इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील। ऐसा नहीं था कि उसने मुझे ऐसा कहा था तो मैंने ऐसे बना के या नाटक करके बोला, ये आई प्रिटेंडेड दैट ओके इट इज अ बिग डील, लेकिन इट्स जस्ट ओके, मेरे को महान बनना है, टू बी ग्रेट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट। शी सेड ट्रूथफुली दैट इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट अ बिग डील, इट वाज नाइस स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हिम। Julian has nicknamed him the zombie kid, and that's what everyone was calling him. Did you see the zombie kid yet? Stuff like that goes around fast, and August knew it. It's hard enough being the new kid even when you have a normal face. Imagine having his face. Okay? Julian is another kid in that same class and he has nicknamed him. Nickname मतलब होता है घर का नाम, जो आपको घर के नाम दिए हुए जाते हैं ना, जैसे स्कूल में अगर आपका कुछ नाम है और घर पे अगर आपको प्यार से कुछ और कहते हैं तो उसको निकनेम कहते हैं। यहाँ पे निकनेम इज एन इनफॉर्मल नेम। निकनेम नेम ज़ॉम्बी। ज़ॉम्बी मेरे हिसाब से आप सबने मूवीज में देखा होगा, दे आर एक्चुअली डेड बॉडीज जिनको जादू से, मैजिक से रियल लाइफ में वापस लेके आ जाता है। दे कैन नॉट सेंस पेन, दे आर एक्चुअली डेड बॉडीज, तो दर्द वर्द कुछ नहीं होता, it's a imaginary kind of a thing, and that was everyone was calling him, ठीक है, and this was the name which everyone started using for August. Did you see the zombie kid yet? और ये जो बातें हैं वो मतलब एक दूसरे से ऐसे बात करते हैं कि zombie kid को देखा क्या, ये क्या क्या, these things spread very fast, ये बातें जो है वो बहुत जल्दी फैल जाती है, and even August came to know about this, August को भी इन सारी चीजों के बारे में पता चल गया था। Then Summer is saying that when you're a new kid, ठीक है, तो इवन विद अ नॉर्मल फेस इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एडजस्ट. तो इमेजिन हैविंग हिज फेस, उसका फेस थोड़ा अलग है. नॉर्मल जब आप होते हो, ठीक है, तो भी आपके लिए एडजस्ट करना इतना मुश्किल होता है, तो ऐसे में एडजस्ट करना तो कितना ज्यादा मुश्किल होता होगा. ही इज जस्ट अ किड, द weirdest looking kid I have ever seen, but just a kid. समर इज सेइंग कि वो बस एक बच्चा ही तो है. हाँ, अभी तक मैंने जितने भी बच्चे देखे, द नंबर ऑफ किड्स आई हैव सीन टिल दैट, ही इज द स्ट्रेंजेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे अलग है. बट जस्ट अ किड ना, कुछ और थोड़ी ना, एक बच्चा ही तो है. I do admit August's face takes some time getting used to. I've been sitting with him for 2 weeks now, and let's just say he's not the neatest eater in the world. कि मेरे को पता है अगस्त का जो फेस है, that takes time that you get used to it. Getting a habit to see him takes time because he looks different, and I've been sitting with 2 weeks from him. ठीक है, I've been sitting with him for the last 2 weeks, but let's just say that he's not the neatest eater in the world. कि उसके साथ बैठे और एक जो प्रॉब्लम मुझे लग रही है, the problem which I am facing is that he's not the neatest eater. मतलब he's a messy eater. वो खाना खाते टाइम थोड़ा गिरा देता है. That might be because of the surgeries he had undergone. But other than that, he's just pretty nice. I should also say that I don't really feel sorry for him anymore. I keep sitting down with him because he is fun. वो कह रहे हैं कि और उसके अलावा everything is very nice with him. There's no problem with him. Everything is very great with him. ठीक है, I keep sitting down with him because he is fun. और मैं उसके साथ इसलिए बैठती हूँ रोज क्योंकि उसके साथ बैठने में मजा आता है. He is a fun kid. उसके साथ बैठ के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I had warned my mom about August's face. I had described what he looked like. I did this because I know she's not always so good at faking her feelings, and August was coming over for the first time today. तो समर हैज कॉल्ड ऑगस्ट टू हर प्लेस. समर ने ऑगस्ट को जो है वो अपने घर पे बुलाया है, एंड शी हैज ऑलरेडी वार्न्ड हर मदर कि आप थोड़ा वो अलग दिखता है तो डू नॉट गेट पैनिक. और रीजन वाज दैट बिकॉज शी न्यू दैट मदर कुड नॉट फेक हर एक्सप्रेशन. मदर के जो फेस पे है वो जो उसके मन में है वो उसके फेस पे भी आ जाता है. एंड शी डिड नॉट वांटेड टू हर्ट ऑगस्ट. वो नहीं चाहती थी कि उसके मदर के रिएक्शन की वजह से ऑगस्ट को कुछ बुरा लगा. But I could tell from the expression of her face when she came home after work that I hadn't prepared her enough. But when she came home after work, it was very clear for Summer that she had not prepared her mom properly. मतलब उसने अपनी मॉम को properly mentally prepare नहीं किया था अगस्त को देखने के लिए, क्योंकि उसके फेस पे clearly ये चीज आ गई थी that August was actually a very strange looking kid. That is all we are going to take for today. The next chapter will be completing in the next video. Thank you.